Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Teacher Max. And today, I am going to do my very first reaction video. So makikibandwagon na tayo guys. Itodo na natin to para talagang legit YouTuber na tayo. Okay, so I have been a fan of reactors, especially foreign reactors, kasi diba talaga namang every time na may bagong TV program, bagong commercials, even our singers, diba talagang we can see how amazed there are with the Filipino talent, with the Filipino culture that we have. So, ngayon naman na nandito ako sa Japan bilang isang OFW, I think it is fine for me to react something that we have there in the Philippines. At ayun na nga, alam naman nating lahat na every February, Jollibee, which is my favorite, Jollibee, pumunta na kayo dito sa Japan, releases a series of commercials, diba, for Valentine's Day. So, I hope you will enjoy this reaction video. Kaya wag na nating patagalin pa. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano ang very first installment of this Valentine's series from Jollibee. Woo! I'm excited. Sana talaga may Jollibee na dito. Of course, inspired by a true story.
Lahat tayo naghahanap ng the one.
Me too.
Pero paano kung dalawa sila?
I've been there. Choice. Charot. I miss college.
Congratulations.
Oh, sweet.
Ang tagal na nung pinagsamahan namin ni Paul. All these years, he's always been there for me.
Best friend. Oh.
Congratulations. Natanggap ako! Favorite ko.
Oh. My favorite spaghetti, Jolly Spaghetti.
Si Jay naman, bago lang
Oh,
sa buhay ko.
si Van Dorpy, kilala nyo ba siya? YouTuber din siya. Nice.
Pero priority rin niya to make me happy.
Pasulya-psulya.
Thanks for the help. And the burger.
Sure, basta ikaw.
Ang ganda niya, no?
And, do you trust me?
Oo naman.
Aw, what a sweet surprise.
Surprise!
With Paul, iba ang naging connection namin. Kilalang kilala niya ako.
Nice. May dimple. Happy birthday! Birthday ko na next month, guys!
Kay Jay naman, somehow mas nakilala ko ang sarili ko.
It helps me forget for a while. Oh.
I look back and recall those days
I had with you. Sometimes I need a friend. Team Paul or Team J? Ano ba? Who will it be? Kanino kayo, guys?
Paul, naniniwala ka ba na sa dami ng tao dito sa mundo, may isang destined para sa'yo?
Destined to be yours.
Oo naman. Actually, I'm losing it.
Kilig. Is she going to ask him?
Man,
Oh.
sa dami ng tao sa mundo, naniniwala ka ba na lahat sila may isang destined for them?
Soulmates, maybe? Ako, I
Kasi
believe.
ako dati, hindi.
Mhm.
Until I met you.
Oh my God. Makes it hard to choose. Ah, ganda ni Anne, in fairness.
Mahirap. Pero I think it's time for me to make a choice.
True. Who will it be, guys? Oh my God. I guess Paul.
You okay?
Jay. First of all, I wanna thank you sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa akin.
Alam kong may kaagaw ako sa puso mo. I know he means a lot to you.
Yeah. That's why I think it's Paul.
I understand kung hindi.
Oo. It means so much to me. But meron ka na rin lugar dito sa puso ko eh. And every day it grows bigger.
Ayan na. What would he tell? She tell.
Handa na ako to let go of the past.
She chose Jay.
And
Woo! My God, patay na pala.
listen daw. The doctors tried everything pero he's gone. My son is gone. That was 4 years ago. I think it's time.
You mean you're ready to love again?
Ready to love you.
You gave me all the reasons to live. Once I've learned to love again.
Kung walan ka man ng minamahal, hindi mawawala ang pag-asang magmahal mo. Yeah. Have faith in love. Oh,
Ready ka na?
taray, may pa-end credits.
Never.
Never. Oh, so sweet. Oh my God. Grabe. I did not expect the twist. Sobra. Nalungkot ako, guys. Napatahimik na ako. Speechless na ako bandang huli. And yeah, I know how hard it is to move on. 'Di ba? For some talaga, it takes years, and it was not just a simple breakup, 'di ba? It's the death of your loved one. So, yeah, I believe it's hard. But 'di ba, to some of us naman, it's very easy to move on, right? Like parang you just know someone after a few days, maybe. Then, yeah, parang meron na agad spark, 'di ba? PBB lang. Okay, pero yeah, you just have to really respect, no, the people and on how they feel, on how they love, 'di ba? I remember one line from Shakespeare, 'di ba? Yung parang it's better to have loved and lost than to have never loved at all. Ayan, guys. So, ang ganda ng commercial. My God. Oh my God. So, Jollibee, napakaganda. So, sana sa susunod ako naman ang inyong kuhanin bilang inspiration for your true story. So, guys, na-enjoy nyo ba yung commercial? Yes, 'di ba? Ang ganda. So, as we all know, lagi namang may pa-twist si Jollibee. So, we did not expect that Paul died pala. Okay, because of aneurysm. So, it was such a good story, but yes, we can move on and we can start to learn and love again. Okay, we can start learning. Okay? Moving on. Wala na ako. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung sinasabi ko. Ayan, guys, so maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa panonood ng commercial na ito. Nalungkot ako bigla. And for those who are new to my channel, I am an assistant language teacher here in Japan. And I am just on my first year here. So, if you feel like, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, muli, maraming salamat. And to more reaction videos, abangan natin kung ano yung second and third commercial ng Jollibee. So, maraming salamat. And just like what I always say, enjoy life and live life to the max. Bye!